Good morning, welcome back to the Unbusy Home where we make time for what matters. And today's topic is so close to my heart because I believe in the power of a cleverly organized home and the freedom that it can create for you. The more organized you get in your home, the better things work for you, the easier life becomes, and the more time you can have for yourself. So today I will show you a super quick hack to help you organize your makeup. Keep watching. The truth is that I have a dressing table right here next to my bed. It's beautiful, I love it, and it has all the things on it that I use during my morning facial routine and my evening facial routine. But the truth is that this table is far away from the window, and early morning when the sun is not even up sometimes, it's very difficult to, well, nearly impossible to do my makeup here. So the truth is that my makeup stuff gets carried from here all the way into my tiny ensuite, and it's very often left there in the window. I'm going to show you the mess I create every morning. Here we are, and guys, I have to say I'm not proud of this. It's a mess and I don't like it, but I have been trying to figure this thing out forever. So here's what I have done. I have researched a million different types of makeup organizers on Amazon and other online retailers as well. But the thing is that all I could find were these absolutely huge organizers that are probably superb for people who are obsessed with makeup or who are a beauty blogger of some kind, but not for me. I don't have a lot of makeup. I have just a few things, but those few things I tend to use every day or almost every day. So I needed a small organizer that is quite specifically can store every single piece of my makeup without having to spread everything and carry everything from all the way from the bedroom here in the bathroom. Because what I really don't like about this is that it's time consuming. I cannot find what I'm looking for and it creates a mess. It's not organized in a way I want it to be organized. It is inside that table, but again, I have to take it all out, take it here, do my makeup, take it back there. Super time consuming. I'm not available for this. So here's what I have found. Actually, when I was looking for makeup organizers, they tend to be quite expensive. So this is not a makeup organizer. This is a desk organizer, and it's made of paper. It's recyclable, so that is even better. No plastic in here, and that's why I love it even more. The only downside is that this is from IKEA, and the only color that was available for delivery, because the stores are still closed now, was white. Now, the white may not be the best choice for makeup storage, but for a trial, it's perfect, and it was super cheap. So if it gets a little bit messy, I can always change it, and I have seen that they are about to roll out a really cool, nice new design color scheme that I was totally in love with, but it was not available in the UK yet, so I just gotta wait for it. But it was really cheap, so I can change it at any point in time, and for this trial, even the white one was perfect. I took one piece out. There's another piece in here that's really tall. I think even a little bit taller than this one. I don't need that for my makeup. It would be perfect for paper, so maybe I will just take it to the office. But now let's see how we can organize this. I organized everything and it fits just perfectly. I really love this because it's so nicely organized and it's not overcrowded. I can see in the little boxes, I know exactly what's in there. I told you that I don't have a lot of makeup. It's really true. This is all that I have and this is all that I use. This is one of the areas of my life that I really do not want to overcomplicate with a lot of things. So this is just going to be perfect. And what I also love about this is that it's portable. So now I can take my little makeup tray and I can take it with me. If I want to create my makeup in the office, maybe whilst I'm on a conference call to prepare for a video call later or something like that, then I can do that. In the winter when it's dark inside a house and I don't want to wake the family up, I could take this with me out into the office, which is in the garden, so it's like a different building. I can take it out there, I can turn on the light and I can create my makeup in peace and quiet without waking anybody up in the morning. So I'm really loving this. I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to see how the white performs, and I may let you guys know. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more details about how this little makeup organization hack. We'll continue. If you want to get a link to this little tray, and if you want to get it for yourself and use it for makeup instead of using it in your office, you can find a link below. It's from IKEA again. You can find a link below. Maybe take a look if they have another color, because they used to have another color. Then if the store is open when you are watching this, then you can go there and get a nicer one, because yeah, white is just white. I mean, it's simplistic and minimalistic and I love it, but I'm really worried how a drop of foundation is going to look like on this. But you know, I'll be careful. Alright guys, I hope today's tip was useful for you and it will help you to organize your makeup as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you as always. If you like my videos, please like them or subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me to reach more people and spread the message of the I'm busy home. Let's make time for what matters. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye everyone!